Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best tabletop dishwashers. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Farberware Complete Portable Countertop Dishwasher. There's a lot to love about the Farberware Countertop Portable Dishwasher. It has this great feature where you can use either the kitchen sink hookup or the separate water tank as the dishwasher's water source. The water tank is a great option if you have difficulty attaching and securing water hoses, or if you want to wash dishes far from a sink. This dishwasher comes with 6 cycles. Baby Care, Glass comes with 6 cycles. Baby Care, Glass, Fruit, where you can use the removable basket to wash your fruits, Normal, Rapid, and Air Refresh. Perhaps the coolest feature is that this dishwasher has a little glass window so that you can watch the food stains get cleaned off your dishes in real time. There are 5 wash programs, including one with a high-temperature sanitizing rinse, LED touch controls, a see-through door window, a child lock on the controls, and a delay start option. A small fold-down shelf holds flatware and cutlery instead of the regular basket. Detergent goes into a little well on the door, but it lacks a dispenser for rinse aid. Speaking of clean dishes, this portable dishwasher does a great job of removing stains, including really difficult baked-on stains like chopped spinach, with only a few minor instances of redeposit. Furthermore, almost all of the cleaned dishes came out completely dry. If you're looking for some flexibility when it comes to washing dishes in a small kitchen space, you'll appreciate the performance and thoughtful design of the Farberware. Number 2. homeLabs Compact Countertop Dishwasher. As it turns out, the homeLabs is nearly identical to the Danby. It has the same cleaning performance, the same cycles, although one cycle is called Eco rather than Light, and similar cycle times. Its exterior looks a bit more modern than that of the, but if you're interested in buying this flavor of countertop dishwasher, we recommend buying whichever of these 2 products is on sale that day. Compact Countertop Dishwasher is the best choice for small apartment kitchen. It saves space and will save you a lot of money. Compact Countertop Dishwasher is lightweight, easy to move, and easy to store. It's also safe to use because it's made from plastic. Compact Countertop Dishwasher is also energy efficient because it uses less energy than conventional dishwashers. Compact Countertop Dishwasher is also easy to clean because it cleans with soap and water. Compact Countertop Dishwasher is also safe because it's made from plastic, which is safer than metal. There are many reasons why Compact Countertop Dishwasher is the best choice for small apartment kitchen. First, it saves space and will save you a lot of money. Second, it's easy to move and easy to store. Third, it's safe because it's made from plastic, which is safer than metal. Finally, Compact Countertop Dishwasher is also easy to clean because it cleans with soap and water. Number 3. Danby Countertop Dishwasher with 6 place settings. If you have smaller space constraints, Danby also makes countertop dishwashers, one of which is the Danby. While this countertop dishwasher looks small, it can fit 6 place settings, where each place setting involves plates, a bowl, a glass, a teacup, and some cutlery. You won't be able to fit a spaghetti pot in there, but that's true for any countertop dishwasher. With a wide variety of cycles to choose from, including intensive, normal, soak, economy, rapid, and glass, you shouldn't have a problem getting difficult stains off your dishes. This Danby model sits at almost 22 inches wide and uses a combination of electronic and mechanical controls on its panel for those who are fans of plain push buttons. But even at this affordable price, it doesn't skimp on options. It offers 6 wash cycles from intense to soak, plus a 2, 4, or 8-hour delay wash option and a high temperature boost to do a better job on cookware or especially dirty items. Fold-down cup shelves and a removable flatware basket add to its loading flexibility, and a light on the control panel conveniently tells you when it's time to add more rinse aid. This countertop dishwasher also has options to delay the start of the dishwasher cycle for 2, 4, or 8 hours, as well as water and rinse aid notification lights. Number 4. Black+Decker Compact Countertop Dishwasher. This Black+Decker is so stylish it could almost pass for a mini oven. At 21.5 inches wide, it claims to hold 6 place settings and dinner plates up to 10 inches in diameter. There are 7 wash programs from intensive to rapid to rinse only, and even a 24-hour delay start option for you to load it up and run the cycle at a time when you're not using the kitchen. With this incredible Black+Decker portable dishwasher, you find the right wash cycle that works for you and your dishes. Our 7 wash cycles for this 21.5 inches by 21.7 inches by 17.2 dishwasher machine include normal, intensive, eco, glass, 90 minutes, rapid and soak. Save water and time in the kitchen cleaning by letting this stainless steel dishwasher do all the hard work. The interior of this spacious portable dishwasher is stainless steel, guaranteeing immaculately cleaned dishes after every use. Also featured is an easy-to-grip handle, which makes for easy dishwasher loading and unloading. This Black+Decker commercial dishwasher fits on top of many countertops, 46.2 pounds, and stores conveniently in cupboards, pantries and kitchen shelves. The detergent and rinse aid dispensers look and work just like those of full-size models, and the child lock assures that little fingers can't accidentally start it. With its curved stainless steel handle and black glass window, it will blend seamlessly with the other appliances in your kitchen. Number 5. Magic Chef Countertop Dishwasher. At almost 21.75 inches, this Magic Chef is among the deepest countertop models but sports many of the amenities found on full-size appliances. A separate flatware basket and 2 flip-down cup shelves help it hold up to 6 place settings. At only 52 decibels, it's among the quietest countertop models we've found, a real plus in a small kitchen. For reference, other countertop brands reported decibel levels of 55 or higher, and the quietest full-size dishwashers are usually around 40 decibels. The 6 wash programs here include everything from intense wash to rinse only. Plus there's a 24-hour delay wash option that you can set in 1-hour increments to better match the cycle time to your schedule. The cleaning performance of the Magic Chef is fine. Although it may struggle a bit with some of the tougher stains, it will be able to tackle most dirty dishes without breaking a sweat. The Magic Chef countertop dishwasher has 6 cycles: heavy, normal, light, speed, glass, and rinse. While the other countertop dishwashers on this list have delay options of 2, 4, or 6 hours, the delay option on this Magic Chef runs from 1 to 24 hours, and can be set in 1-hour increments. This allows you to set dishwasher cycles to start at a later time, either for the sake of convenience or to save money by not using electricity at high demand times, like after dinner. If that kind of time flexibility appeals to you, then the Magic Chef MCSCD6W5 is the right countertop dishwasher for you. Thanks for watching the video.